guys, we are going to swimming because we sleep first. So it's really it. So we'll see you tomorrow and bye.
Hi guys! Happy first Friday and happy Burmans! Share ko lang po ang road trip namin, traveling to Bataan last Sunday. So yun, pinatulog na nga po namin ang mga kids kagabi wearing their rash guard kasi gusto naming maagang umalis para maaga ding makarating. So sa Karuwatan kami dumaan going to NLEX since mas malapit naman ito sa amin. And from NLEX, diretso ng San Fernando, Pampanga. So during that time, tulog na ulit ang mga kids. Nagising na lang sila when we were in Subic, Pampanga. They were saying na familiar ang place and that they think they have been here before. And yes, they were right kasi dito sila nag-field trip last time. Dumaan kami sa tunnel and they were so happy, especially when they saw aircrafts. And of course, hindi mawawala ang moment ng inang kalikasan. Hayan at nagpaikot-ikot pa nga. Ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot-ikot lang. And then, nag-stop kami saglit sa gidli ng daan to take some pictures.
We are now here in Bataan.
There's a dog right behind mommy.
And after that, travel ulit ng ilang minutes. And ito guys, ang mga madadaanan nyo going to that place kung saan kami nag-swimming. Sobrang ganda ng mga puno guys. Dinaanan din natin ang Anvaya Cove and kita nyo naman may mga tumitigil talaga para magpa-picture.
Guys, we are back in the field trip.
So we're almost there na nga and feeling talaga ng mga kids and nag-field trip sila.
Oh my gosh, we are almost there.
Narinig nyo yun guys, makapag oh my god, daig pa ang mami nila. Excited na talaga ang mga kids. And finally, we're here after traveling for 3 hours from Malabon to Bataan. 500 per head ang entrance fee guys and 1,000 ang cottage namin. Pero mas cheaper ang entrance nila if you are just from Bataan. Ito nga pala ang Alexa Water Park Resort guys sa Morong, Bataan. Meron silang kiddie pool, wave pool, and ang talagang pina-experience ko sa family ko ay ang adventure nila sa kanilang inflatable pool. 10 feet ito guys. Very safe naman kasi naka-vest ang mga bata. Lahat actually kahit adult. And assisted naman palagi ng mga lifeguards. So overall, it was a nice and memorable experience for the whole family and worth it naman ang pag-itim. So yun lang guys. Thank you for always watching. Happy weekend everyone. God bless.